shows in the country and challenge.
Up north again, guys. We are here to hit another couple sales and to pick up the trailer and those Macintosh speakers because we left them here because we didn't have room in my little car. So we brought the big ass SUV to pick that kind of stuff up and see what else we can find.
I made it up here to Prescott in this real nice neighborhood. Let's go.
Morning. Am I in violation of something? You're gonna take my picture?
Absolutely not. No, we just.
From the HOA, I know it.
No, we just like to hit yard sales and film like the cool stuff that we might find.
That, you want me to get a bigger one? The big current box up here. Oh, good, it's home in. Would you be willing to reach that Keurig box for me? For sure. It's empty, so you don't have to look for yourself in. There's no chance someone's 5 feet. Keeps up. As soon as that's actually, you shouldn't do that. Thank you. Here's some bigger boxes. I have to close like my Keurig, so.
Relics? Relics or chaos?
It's that new one that's down in TV. I mean, in Prescott.
Is that any better for you? That's what I bought it for. Maybe, you know, it's a beaut. I used it once. Maybe, no, it was just one.
I mean, dude, look at this thing. All right, so it's like heavy.
Interesting.
Could be worthless. Decided to take a little gamble.
We can look it up when we get back to the office.
Mm-hmm.
It's ivory, it's worth some cash.
Yeah. Because they're illegal as fuck. Alright, made it to our second sale.
Let's go.
You probably think that you are better now. What you looking up?
Baseball's kind of cool.
Oh, whoa. That's really cool.
Very good. So we're here at the next garage sale. There's a few motorcycle bags out front. It looks kind of good, but kind of dry. It's a bit rainy, so not a lot of people. But we'll give it a shot.
Yeah. Back in Phoenix, probably 105 already. What? You just said?
Tommy for the car.
Your mom? I'm on buying probation right now because I bought a questionable item at the last sale, so I'm on probation.
Thank you, ladies. How's the old school headphones? They work.
The original augmented reality.
Keystone Ivy. It's just really good. I like the number 7. Does that work? Sure. Cool. Thank you, sir.
telestrobe. That's kind of cool. Thank you, you too. Hey, that's cool. Prescott. For you.
Yeah, it's not fair. I won't even call him that day.
Don't even have to play the haggle game.
Sir, thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Doing it up here in beautiful Prescott. Doing it moving.
Hi.
Morning.
Good, how are you?
Good morning.
Caterpillar V-belt. Is this new? Oh. What, you swooped that? What do you, how much you buy that thing for?
$10.
$10? And what's it worth?
Like 50 to 75.
Not bad, not bad.
Took too long. Not a bad little day.
So far we got some ish. Not too bad. I thought this was gonna be a lot more valuable. That's only like a $30 item. I guess they must have made a bunch of them.
You guys are
signs in the garage.
Man, I wonder what the copyright agreement was with this game. That's a lot of trademarks. So you can see there basically wasn't anything at that sale. Just go check it out, make sure we're not missing anything, and on to the next. We made it back!
Yeah. Got the money?
Yeah. We already paid up!
They bought a lot of stuff.
We bought it, yeah, we got some stuff.
Like how much money did you have put out all total?
Well,
How much is it?
$200.
Like 200? Yeah, 200?
How much?
200?
200 bucks?
Yeah.
A deuce?
You did good. You did with the guy. He'll be back. He went someplace. Where'd he go?
Nothing new, I don't think.
Alright.
What is that thing hanging on your camera?
So it's a it's called a bendy tripod, and so you can like move it however you want, and you can like
That is so cute.
you can bend it up, you know, and all that stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you can like set it up, you know, however you want,
Yeah.
and then like put it on the ground and stuff.
Oh, dang, that's cool, isn't it?
I just like to keep it straight, so then it's like a nice ergonomic handle that I can like hold on to, you know. Thank you.
What's the business now you're going to have? Besides the monkey business you're in?
Right? Yeah, just pretty much monkey business. That's about that's what we do.
You see, I'm friendly because when I grew up, girls didn't like me. So they're jealous of me, see. So I ran around with 5 guys in the brand new, and we'd go all over.
Really?
He said, look at that room. I even go naked swimming. Over there I'd go, and they'd all go here. But I didn't have no relations. It just, I get along with men better than women. Bald head.
Thank you.
Aren't you tempted to get some hair tattooed on it?
You know, that's actually a popular thing
Oh,
now.
I seen a guy. He
Really?
was bald-headed and he got brown hair tattooed. And it really looked, but it looked plastered down, of course.
Yeah.
And nothing sticking up. But I mean, he looked a hell of a lot better because he wasn't good looking.
Well, I see. You know, I think that's one of my advantages. I have a very nice head shape.
Yes, you do.
You know, the shape is very
Yeah.
beautiful.
You're
Great.
hideous.
Wake up, neighborhood. This is a short fuse.
Shit, those are loud. Those are pretty loud
Those are
little.
probably top cats. Hey, be quiet over there. I'll start throwing them your way.
There, you got your neighbors looking over.
Who?
The one down there
You having a problem?
through that open door.
Wake up, everybody.
Wake up, everybody.
Yeah, let me. Let's go take a look to the trailer. I want to show you another bag. Come on, Lily.
Blow some shit. Came back to pick up our trailer. So about to hook it up to our vehicle. Got her all hooked up. Ready to take this baby back to Phoenix. This dude is playing a dangerous game right now. He got himself pinned to the vehicle using the gas hose. Not advisable, according to the consultants at With Ease.
Kind of give it a quick little, I'll hold on to the camera. Give it a quick little pump. Not too fast though, because I'm gonna eat shit.
All right, got it all cleaned up. This is our trailer now. Sweet. Trip
trip up to Prescott. Woo! Make some money.
Guys, you know it's hot in Arizona when the city bus is overheating.